Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics, the topic that is about Pearson's correlation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that S bar in here, Y bar in here, that is about the mean. So we need to find the mean of this one. So we can use about the average. So we put the value in here. Now we can do similar for the second one. So we have Si minus S bar. That means this one minus this one. We use about the dollar sign in here. So when we put this one go down, the value of means does not change the cell in here. Now let's go to this one minus this one. The next one, Si minus S bar multiplied by Yi minus Y bar in here. So in this situation, we have this one multiplied by this one. So on the location in here of the formula, we can use about the summation. So that should be like this. Now we do similar for this one. And this one to the power of 2. Now we sum all the value gone here and here. And now we can apply the formula. So Pearson's or correlationship. So that should be about this one divided by the product between this one and this one to the power of 1 over 2, and that is about the square root. And we got the value in here. And if we check on the table, we can see that R between 0.8 to number 1. This is about very high correlation. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.